Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In today's class, we'll be solving 9th problem in exercise 2.1. If you check out my playlist in English, you'll be able to find out all the previous example problems and exercise problems with solutions. The video link is in the description. Do check it out. It would be helpful for you. Now we can read the question. Here the question is, a positive integer when divided by 88 gives the remainder 61. What will be the remainder when the same number is divided by 11? What is the question? A positive integer, that could be any integer, any positive number, when divided by 88. Here divided by means divisor. Okay, divisor is 88 and gives the remainder. What is the remainder? Remainder is 61. So we know divisor and remainder. Okay. Now what will be the remainder when the same number is divided by 11? We need to find out the remainder. This number when this number is divided by 11. That means we know divisor and remainder. So I am going to consider Euclid's division lemma formula. Already we had discussed about Euclid's division lemma in previous classes. Do check out the video. Do check out that class. Then only you can understand this problem. So what would be the formula for Euclid's division lemma? That is A equals BQ plus R, right? Here A is dividend, B is divisor, Q is quotient, R is remainder. Okay, here we know divisor and also remainder. We know remainder. We know the value of remainder. So if you are applying this value in this formula, we'll be getting A equals, what is B here? 88, right? 88. Q we don't know. So I'm writing Q plus, what is the remainder? 61. This equation I'm getting, right? Okay. If we are taking the letter A as any positive integer means the formula is this one, right? So this is the dividend. Here it's a positive integer. So in this equation, we have to find out the remainder when this will be divided by 11. It's very simple. If you understand the question, you can write the answer easily. You have to understand the question carefully. So if we are dividing this whole part by 11, what we are getting the remainder would be the answer for this question. Okay. This is very simple. Now we can see the solution. Now for the solution, we have to write the given information. What is given in the question? Any positive integer. I am taking any positive integer as A. We can take any letter. Here I am taking A. And what is the divisor that is given in the question? 88. And remainder is 61. Okay, now we are going to use Euclid's division lemma formula. This is Euclid's division lemma formula. A equals BQ plus R. Now I'm going to apply all the values. What is given in the information in this formula? What is B here? 88. We don't know the value of Q. So I am writing as it is. Now the remainder value is 61, right? This is the thing we have gotten from this formula. Okay. What is the question? When this is divided, what would be the remainder when it is divided by 11? Okay. When it is divided by 11, what should be the remainder? That is the question. So I am going to divide this whole thing by 11. Okay, if I am dividing this by 11, we'll be getting this, right? So here 11 is 11, 8 into 11 is 88, right? So I am getting 8q, that is quotient. Okay, but in this case we should consider the remainder, not quotient. The remainder, remainder is 0, right? It's getting divided completely, right? So the quotient is 8q and the remainder is 0. Okay, then 11 is 11, 5 into 11, 55, right? Here we have 61. 61 minus 55, 6. This is the remainder, right? We are considering only the remainder. Here we have quotient as 55, the remainder is 6. So I am considering this remainder only. So 0 plus 6, 6. This is the answer. This is the answer for this 9th question. It's very simple, right? First, we are writing Euclid's division lemma formula. In that lemma formula, we are applying the values what is given in the question, and after getting that particular expression, we need to find out, not expression, after getting this step, we should divide each term by 11, right? That is asked in the question, that had been asked in the question. So I'm dividing each term by 11. So in each case I'm getting the remainder 0 and 6. So here the question is, we have to find out the remainder only, so that I am considering only the remainder. So here the answer is 6. That's it. This is the answer for 9th problem in exercise 2.1. It's very simple. Understand the question properly, carefully. Try to find out the answer. This much I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, hit like button, and subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques for more updates. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.